Another type of reel is this plastic reel. And some people who are beginners tend to like this reel a little bit better than the metal ones. They're not bad, these reels. The film goes in here, and you basically, in this type of motion, you put your film on. You thread it on. There's some ball bearings in there, and they work okay. Another type of reel is a medium format reel. And if you shoot medium format, you're obviously going to still need to develop your film. Film's a little bit bigger. The film goes under here, and it rolls on. You want to be a little bit more careful with this film because you don't want to pinch it too much and dent it. You really need to use a little bit of caution when you're using these reels. This is a tray, and this is a 4x5 negative. If I'm shooting large format film, you would use this tray to develop your sheet film in. You want to be careful when you're doing this, though, as to not scratch it with your fingernails. You start to really see emotion with your fingers, and that's how you would use a large format in a tray like this.